I'll have to start putting this in the car. It's got dew all over. Man, I screwed up. I wasn't here for the driver's meeting. I didn't know you could call somebody back out after you lost to them. Well, if you don't call out the person above you quick enough, then the person below you can. I just learned that lesson the hard way. Jerry Bird called me back out, so I got to race him again. Bet your ass when I beat him this time, I'm gonna be calling somebody out.
Be careful starting to fall. I know, that's what I'm worried about. God, make sure that road's dry.
Okay.
Because they talking about it.
Nah, we're still good.
I know. But it's good right now. We could probably get it 2 or 3 more pair off.
That's what I want to do.
Yeah.
I want to get mine off.
It's good, Jerry. There's a lot of dew on the cars and stuff, but all the markers are super dry, no moisture on them.
I hope, man, God. If it'll go straight.
Damn, that was close. What you got down there?
Yep.
Right lane.
Right lane! Nice job, boys!
I didn't think that happened.
I didn't either.
I thought he got him.
Yeah, I thought Birdman had him.
Yeah, I'm on it. Nice job, Jerry! Nice job. Now let me hear that laugh.
Not yet, it still went
Let me
right.
hear that laugh, Mike. There you go. Hey, bud, you got a win, fool.
Still went right, though.
Yeah, I
What's
slow
it look
mode it. I'm
like?
gonna send it to you.
Huh?
I slow mode it. I'm gonna send it to you.
What's it look like it's doing?
Guy said he thinks it was pointed right. I think it went right when it got off the wheel bars.
Hell of a race.
You look close, man.
It was close, it was tight. I passed him, he passed me back.
Oh,
At the end, he got the last pedal.
it looked really close.
Oh yeah, I turned it up quite a bit. It looked pretty fast.
It took it too, yeah.
Man, I tell you, it was a good drag race. We left together, we were side by side about halfway down the street. He nosed me out. I was coming, but I didn't think I could catch him. And then, boom, I came around him, and then I blew the tires off, and he came back around me. He got me right at the finish line. It's a good drag race. I got good data now. I'm gonna be hard to beat.